Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the volume and surface area of a cone. So here this is we all know what a cone looks like. We know cone ice creams are cone shaped. Also the birthday hats we wear during our birthday are also cone shaped. So, to find the a cone for a cone, we need to know that it has a base and has lateral surface area, or could be called as the curved surface area. Here I have shaded the base in red color, and the curved surface area is shown shaded by black color. So here the base has a radius of r, and I am denoting the radius by r, and the circumference of the base, as the base is circular for a cone, the circumference of the base is 2 pi r. We know circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and there is a height which is the vertical line, which is a vertical line from the vertex or apex of the cone to the midpoint or the center of the circle. That is the height of the cone, and this thing denoted here as L is the slant height of the cone, and this slant height, the height, vertical height, and the radius of the base is forming a right angle triangle for a right cone. So from Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle theorem, we can write this L is the hypotenuse. So we can write L square equals to h square plus r square. So if I know h and r, we can find the slant height. If I know the height of the cone and the radius of the radius of the base of the cone, we can find the slant height of the cone. So to find the volume of the cone, we need to know the base area. So we need to know the radius of the cone. If we measure the diameter, we can find the radius, because the radius is half the diameter of the circle. So, and to find volume, we also need to know the vertical height of the cone. So the volume of the cone is written here, formula for volume of cone 1/3 into base area into height. Here the base area is pi r square, as the radius is r and the base is circular in shape. So the base area is pi r square. This red marked area has area of pi r square. Here, by observing the formula, we can find some similarities with the volume for pyramids. In pyramid, the volume was also denoted by this formula, 1/3 into base area into height, but for pyramids the base area was not circular. Base was not circular in shape, rather it was other polygon shaped, and also for pyramids the lateral surfaces were triangular faces. All the lateral surfaces are triangular shape in area, but here in cone there is no triangular lateral faces. That is the difference of the cone with the pyramid. So we can write volume equals to 1/3 into pi r square h, where r is the radius of the base of the cone and h is the vertical height of the cone. So, now to find the total surface area of the cone, we need to find the lateral surface area, or the surface marked in black here, lateral surface area, and the base area. We already know the base area, it is pi r square. The lateral surface area for cone can also be called as the curved surface area. So, if you ever cut a cone, like let us say you cut a cone shaped thing at one of the side and unfold it, you would get something like this. Also similarly, if you fold these two sides together, you would get a cone. So, here when I unfold it, what I get is the curved surface area of the cone. When I unfold it, this we are obtaining another type of circle whose center is at the vertex. This was the vertex of the cone, or the apex of the cone here. So, this looks like a circle and it is a part of the circle, and we know a part of the circle is called a sector of a circle. So, here if I unfold it like this, we would get this length as L, that is the slant height of the cone would form the radius of this part of the circle. So, the circular shape we are obtaining now, not exactly circle, it is a sector of a circle. It has radius of L, and the arc length for this sector of circle is 2 pi r, because after unfolding it this was the base. So, the base is now this when I unfold the cone. So, earlier it was 2 pi r, so now it is also 2 pi r, that is making the arc length of this circle with radius L. So, to find the sector area, we know the formula for finding sector area is sector area of a circle is theta divided by 360 into theta divided by 360 sector area of this part of the circle, theta divided by 360 into pi into radius square. Here this circle has radius of L. So, pi into L square. So, we do not know and this sector area is the curved surface area of that cone. As we do not know the theta, we can find the theta. How we can find the theta is by using this arc length of this sector of the circle. Here the arc length of this sector of the circle is 2 pi r, and we know arc length, formula for arc length is equals to theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r, 2 pi r. Here this is the formula for arc length. Sorry, the radius is not L for this circle, the radius for this circle here is L, it is not r. So you should write L here, 2 pi into radius. The arc length for this sector of the circle is 2 pi r, so we can write we can write 2 pi r equals to theta divided by 360 into 2 pi L. So from here, if we cut this 2 pi and 2 pi, because they are the same on both sides multiplied with other numbers or variables. So here, from here we can write express theta in terms of r and L. So theta equals to 360 r divided by L. 360 r divided by L. So here theta equals to the sector angle for this circle is theta equals to 360 r divided by L. 360 r divided by L. So now that we know the theta for this sector of circle obtained from unfolding the cone, we can find the sector area and hence the curved surface area of the cone. So the sector area would be curved surface area is the same as the sector area, because after unfolding the cone we are getting a circle that's forming a sector like this. So in place of theta we can write 360 r divided by L, 360 r divided by L divided by 360 into pi into radius of this circle. Radius of this circle is L, pi into L square. So here we get r divided by L into pi L square, r divided by L into pi L square. That gives us pi r L. That's how we get curved surface area of cone equals to pi r L. So the total surface area of this cone is curved surface area, that what we derived just now, it's pi r L plus base area, which is pi r square. I hope you understand this, how you can find the total surface area and volume of the cone. Thank you for listening.